Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix Siri not working issue on iPhone 15, 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max. So guys, if Siri is not working on your iPhone 15, you can try some troubleshooting steps to resolve this issue. First of all, you have to check your Siri settings and secure that the Siri is enabled on your device. To check this, simply have to open your settings and go to Siri and search. Then tap on listen for, and you have to make sure that listen for hey Siri and is turned on. If it doesn't, then you have to make sure that it's on. After this, then you have to do is check your internet connection. Siri relies on an internet connection to work, and secure that your iPhone 15 is connected to Wi-Fi or has cellular data access. If you are in an area with a weak or non-internet connection, Siri may not function properly. After this, then you have to do is restart your iPhone. A simple restart can resolve many software related issues. To restart your iPhone, you have to first open your settings, go back, and open your general, scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. Restarting doesn't work, then you have to do is check for iOS update and see that your iPhone 15 is running the latest version of iOS. Update often include bug fixes and improvement. To check for updates, you have to go to your software update and check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS. After this, then you have to do is check for restriction. If you have restriction enabled on your device, they may affect Siri functionality. You have to go to your screen time, tap on content and privacy restriction. If it's enabled, then you have to go to allowed app and you have to make sure that the Siri and dictation is enabled. If it's disabled, you have to enable it. After this and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is check for Siri language and region. Sometimes Siri may not work correctly if the language or region settings are not configured properly. So you have to make sure that the region and the language are set properly. After trying this all solution, you're still facing the issue again and again, then you have to do is reset all settings on your iPhone. To do this, simply you have to go to your general, scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your password and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.